Kajing jauh sabatat jubor ke Jingim ki hebret dang hakini ki khendiat sngi bat banai beladam ki lami shibun ki Jingkno bakare ki Jingle jong ki Menshohnoh hakabana ka liang uba Vivek SP ke East Khasi Hills District lo ong 4 Julap bandan Atiar kum kata haka Jingdan jong u haka kam mentala bun snam Habakran sikilat pathai kubor haka nok phai sngi jong ka khatlai tari urisa arja arpsan uba Vivek ulo ong bawatla ka dan ke jia gran halor ka ni nrei habalap mentapat ya ka Jing shisha ki brio ki balia ya ka ni ka kam ka dei bet namar ka Jingkwa jong ki ban ra bor ban dawa pisa nor Kiwei pat ki daw nrei ban ong badai ka Jingle ki Menshohnoh kam dei satya.
See, we have seen so many cases, at least for about 2 decades we have seen most of these Menshohnohs actually are not true actually. They all because of enmity or jealousy and all Menshohnohs. This apprehension has always been there since it's in the folklore of the community. Usually when we get to the truth or we get to the people who are involved in it, it is not because of that they want to drain out blood from a victim. It's usually vendetta, usually for ransom, it is usually for some reason, but I have never come across a case, at least in my service career, that person been drained out of blood because he's a Menshohnoh. I rule out, in fact, we have had so many cases of super Menshohnoh, especially in the villages and all that. And when we actually investigated the root cause, is different always.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jingim ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya